Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to download and install Google Photos on computer. So how to download and install Google Photos on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the browser application on your computer or laptop. This is the browser display. Firstly, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are many menu options. Tap this 9-dot icon. Now here a menu of options like this will appear. Here are many choices. Tap this Google Photos. Now here I am already in Google Photos. To install it, just move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are many choices. Tap this 3-dot icon. Now a scrolling menu will appear. And tap the Save and Share Case menu. And it will appear like this. Tap Install Google Photo. Tap Install. Wait for the process to finish. Now you can see that you have successfully installed Google Drive on your computer. So that's it, tutorial how to download and install Google Photos on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.